We just got done working for a few hours. Now we're going to get on the birds.
Bird life.
I don't even know if it's on your face because the thing. So let's get this crap going, people. We're leaving Clarity because they just closed. Sad. I got yelled at for doing squats.
What's going
Bird. Bird. Get it? Because it's cold outside.
Why isn't this working?
Loading, 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 loading.
Oh, there we go.
Loading, loading, loading.
My
Ride.
phone's just about to die.
Unlock. Oh, there it goes.
This is like good.
Stand. Push off throttle. It's been a while since I've ridden one of these, and I've never ridden them with just one hand, so we'll see how this goes.
Yeah, like that.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. There's the little Irma. There's Irma.
You got a lot of guts.
Here we go. We're downtown by the Visual Arts Center.
Close to you. Which way is straight?
We're turning, I guess. This is so fun. It really is like 30 degrees right now. I'm probably gonna fall and you guys are gonna watch me like bust my face. Can't wait. She's pretty far back. Hope you guys can see her. I think we're gonna like go in one block and then we're gonna call it good because it's freaking frigid. You wanna see the Dev? There's Dev. It really won't focus though. Oh well. Off we go. We're almost back to Clarity. I'm gonna call it quits after this.
Really?
I mean, I'm freezing. How you feeling?
I thought you wanted to go get a drink.
Yeah, I do, but where can we go?
Arbolada? That's the closest.
Okay, let's go there. Oh, I don't have my wallet. Let's stop at my car. Do you have your wallet?
Yeah.
So I could Venmo you?
Alright.
Where are we going?
It's next week, right? Further down.
Yeah. Yeah, I hope I don't get hit by a car. Now we're going to Bar Arbolada. Don't know how to say it because I'm from Oklahoma. How's she doing back there? Don't know why we're doing this.
We're just gonna get.
Oh, such good lighting. My face is purple.
My face is literally so red.
Pretty soon I won't be able to smile because it'll be all numb.
I'm already numb.
What a beautiful day. She's dying. Guys, I'm freezing. Here she comes. When you think she's done, but she keeps fighting. She keeps coming back for more. You're so blurry too.
Now I'm just scootering.
Yep. This is her workout for the day. She said she hasn't worked out yet, so this is payback. I think it's this way. It is. We're getting closer. There's the little buddy. You see her? Ah! It just died again! I'm gonna have to put her on my scooter, guys. To pick her up. California on the same bird. Just 2 baby birds. She's too scared. She's afraid I'm gonna kill her, which might happen. My hand is frozen. Almost there. She's a happy fluff nugget.
I'm freezing.
Happy fluff nugget.
Cheers. Cheers.
No, for real, Emma just got a sample and I was like, hey, can I try that? And then she drank it all.
And you said, what is that? She looked at the glass and it was empty and she goes, gone. Gone.
But she let me try that one, so I got it. Yum. Probably not going to be able to vlog the bird ride back because Emma's died. We only have one and we almost died because we went right out in front of a truck. So maybe next time, people.
The ride back's gonna be an adventure. Good luck to us.
So good. We're at bar Arbolada. If you've never been here, you should come here. This name.
Good angle.
All the good angles. That's what I'm good at.
That's all we do is good angle.
Well, we finished our glasses of wine. Now we gotta go get back on the bird.
It's gonna be very scary because we have to ride double.
Yeah, so we're not gonna vlog that.
Because we could easily die.
So thanks for watching. Appreciate you guys.